Good morning to everyone. I am Umar Farooq from CSMC section. Today I am presenting my mechanical video presentation on machining process. So today I am talking about machining process. So in machining process, overview and key concepts, applications, types and advantages in following types. Let us talk about overview and key concepts of machining process. And we should talk about advantages, applications, and following overview about machining process and the types like drilling, milling, turning, and etc. Overview of machining process. Machining involves removing material from workpiece, achieves accuracy, precision, and good surface finish. It includes cutting, drilling, milling, turning, grinding. Coming to the next slide. Types of machining. There are conventional, non-conventional. So in conventional, turning, milling, drilling, grinding are the types, and in the non-conventional, EDM, ECM, laser machining, ultrasonic machining. These are two types of machining. Moving to the next slide, let us talk about turning. So what is turning? Workpiece rotates while tool removes material. It is used for cylindrical components and it is performed on a lathe. Coming to milling. Milling means rotating cutter removes material. It produces slots, pockets and shapes. It is done on milling machines. Coming to drilling. It produces circular holes. It is used on metals, plastic, wood and done using drill press or CNC. So let us talk about advantages. So it has high accuracy, good surface finish, suitable for small and large production. It is useful for complex shapes. So it has high accuracy, good surface finish, suitable for small and large production. It is also useful for complex shapes. Coming to the applications. So applications of these are automotive components, aerospace parts, industrial machinery, consumer goods. So let us talk about safety measures which are taken. So we should wear PPE, secure workpiece, follow machine guidelines and maintain tools. So these are the safety measures. Thank you. Let us overview our topic. So we started our title and we talk about overview which machining involves removing materials from a workpiece. It achieves accuracy, precision and good surface finish. It includes cutting, drilling, milling, turning and grinding. So we talked about types of machining, conventional and non-conventional. In conventional, we talk about turning, milling, drilling and grinding. So in non-conventional, EDM, ECM, laser machining and ultrasonic machining. So in turning, we talk about what is turning, which rotates workpieces while tool removes materials. So it is used as cylindrical components performed on lathe. Milling rotates cutter, removes material, produces slots, pockets and shapes. It is done on milling machines. Drilling. We talk about drilling. It produces circular holes used on metals, plastics and woods. So it is done using drill press or CNC. We talked about advantages. So these are advantages which are high accuracy, good surface finish, suitable for small and large production, useful for complex shapes, and we talked about the applications. So these applications are automotive components, aerospace parts, and industrial machinery and consumer goods. We talked about safety measures. So we should wear PPE, secure workpiece, follow machine guidelines, and we should maintain the following tools. So thank you for your attention. So this is my video presentation on machinery.